Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android phone to your SONY Xperia L4, for the first go for the Play Store. Then tap on the search and type here CLONEit. This is the application that we are going to use to transfer data. Click on the open if you download. Of course you have to do the same on the both smartphones. Right now click sender on your Android, tap on the set, turn on location, then just go back and click sender again. Tap receiver on your Xperia and click search again. Right now click on the Android share icon and we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code and we can input the password manually, so we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the QR code. Accept the request on your Android phone, and right now if you want to take everything, just select all of these icons and press start. In my case it is only example, so I'm going for the details right here. Then I will go for the music. I will unselect all the songs. Okay, and right now I will click on the two songs that I want to send, then move to the start, tap on the OK. And it's finished. So right now we can check where the files are. Where are the files? So we are probably going for the music, I think, or maybe for the files. Yeah, go for the files, and here are the songs that we sent. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.